Hello, beautiful people of the internet. It is me, Royal Biker, and I am back again with my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. What are we doing today? Well, I got a new air filter for the bike. It's a DNA air filter. Basically allows the engine to breathe a little better, more airflow in is better for performance overall, right? So DNA produced an air filter that's like 47% more airflow into it, and it purifies 99.9% of everything around it. So overall, more air, the cooler the engine can run, the more power it can do. This is basically step one before I do the other things like the big bore kit this winter. You know, just want to make sure that the bike's breathing well. So let's start installing this. I don't know how to do this. It should be fairly simple. I think the side cover is going to pop off the tool. There's a little like tool roll that needs to come off, and then from there I should be able to just slide it in. But first, let's get the box. Let's open it up. Thanks to Amazon, it was here in about a day, 2 days. Really easy. Overall, everything was like $84. Not crazy. So let's get the box, let's open it up, and let's see what we're working with. These are the two pieces. This is the new bracket that goes on in place of this stock bracket. And then this is the air filter, nice and clean. What else is in here? Hopefully some instructions, a little bit of instructions, some stickers, registration card. More stickers, lots of stickers. Yay. So there's nothing in there on instructions on how to actually install this. So we're gonna do this together and figure it out. Let's go to the bike. All right, so you need your key to unlock this. Swing out from the bottom. It's hooked at the top, pretty easy to just kind of plop on down. There we go, like that. So the reason why we have to take this side off is to get to the seat release, which is here. You pull that, this slides off. And the air filter is actually on the left side of the bike, but the only way to get to it is by taking the seat off. So now that we have access to this, let's pop it off. So right here, you're gonna need an Allen wrench. There's a little spot right here. Take that bolt, unscrew this. Be very careful it doesn't drop through the frame or anything like that. That just becomes a pain. There's a bolt and a washer with it. Make sure to grab both when you pull out. Now, as you can see, this has already started to move. Okay, that is officially out. So this just needed to be lifted up, basically. This pulls on the left side straight out. And this is the air filter right here. Everything that we need access to, battery, electronic loom, ECU, but we care about this right here. So what we need is a Phillips screwdriver, 3 screws. Let's take these girls out. Cool. So normal Phillips screwdriver. Oh, that was the bit, nothing more. So we're gonna do 3 of them equally at the same time and then finish them off just so there's no extra pressure on one side or anything like that. Watch your screwdriver in the tank. That last one. Okay. So I believe this entire black plastic thing is going away. But we, of course, are going to keep everything. We'll just plop those in there. Because if we ever want... Oh, we can't do that because there's a hole. Ha! Because if we ever wanted to sell this or take it back to stock, we have all the parts that we need. So as we see, this is the air filter. It's a brand new air filter. Boom. Look at that. Air filter. So the new one we already know has this metal piece and the air filter that goes into it. Nice. Let's grab that. Let's install it. So this comes from the factory already oiled, so you don't have to worry about oiling that. I would recommend not actually touching this. There is the grease on it. You don't want to, give it a weak spot or anything like that. This slides directly in here. Whoop. It sits nice and flush and you don't have to worry about that. It's gonna sit there for a bit. You take the metal bracket that comes with this little kit. Nice and strong piece of metal. See if we can open it up. It's stronger than I am, I'll say that. Most things are in life. I believe it's gonna be one size fit all, which it definitely looks like it. So I'm gonna hold that in place. I'm gonna get it started on one screw, one bolt, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other two. Now they're all in, get nice and snug. So this sets it right in there. This guides into this, pop that in. And we align it up to top with the Allen key. Make sure that's nice and tight, which it is. Let's throw the seat back on and let's install the second piece. So this has little levers up front. They kind of just slide right in, and there's this mechanism back here, and you know it's the right one, because when you hit the seat release, you see it moving. That goes in there. Seat's in, nice and tight. Top goes in first. Make sure the key's up straight, and then left. That's it. Now, before we're done, we're gonna get some nice Clorox, some Simple Green. We're gonna wipe down everything we touched. Our fingerprints got oil and dirt on them. Clean up our bikes. We take care of it, take care of us. So, we're gonna do that right now, but that's it for this video right now, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. I will let you know over the next few days when I ride it, if I feel the performance and all of that, how it sounds, everything you know about this bike. If you have any comments on how to do this install, throw it down in the comments below. I'll answer you guys as quick as I can. That's it for now. Go out there and ride safe. Thanks for watching, guys.